We have two of these, but I don't know what my husband did with the other one. If you have a spouse, I'm sure you completely understand. They are really, really nice. It does allow the door to open slightly, but I can't even get my finger through the door with how little it opens because of the way we positioned it. It is really nice because all you have to do is press, and it is open, and then you have to press these two little buttons, and it is locked, so they cannot open the screen door. I don't know where the other one I don't know where my husband put the other one, but we only have one screen door in our house, or slider door in our house, so we only needed one. So I'm not sure if he gifted it to his parents or not, but it has been great. We have a 3-year-old that decides that she's gonna go outside and check on the dogs or the chickens, and we were really afraid that in the middle of the night she would decide that she woke up and needed to go check on them. So we always lock this before bed, and it is really sturdy and obviously out of her reach. So it's been perfect.